Hello everyone. Welcome. Today is a special day. Today we talk about change. We talk about your mind. This is not just a talk. It is a wake-up call. Life does not give you things just because you think. Things do not change just because you want. You need to try. Try today. You may not be the smartest. You may not be the prettiest. You may not be the richest or fastest. But if you have discipline, you are strong. Discipline is better than talent. Discipline builds habits. Discipline makes warriors. Warriors win. Even when they are tired. Even when they are scared. So, today we learn. We learn about self-discipline. These lessons can change your life. This will also help your English. You will learn new words. You will hear good sentences. Are you ready? Lesson 1. Keep your promises to yourself. Self-discipline means you do what you say. Not about being perfect. It's about being true to you. You say, I will wake up at 6 a.m. So, you wake up at 6 a.m. Not because it is easy, because you promised yourself. Even if it's your birthday, even if it's raining, you do it. This is discipline. Lesson 2. Focus on what you can do now. Many people lose discipline. They think about the past. I made a mistake. Or they think about the future. What if I fail? But real discipline is now. This moment. What can you do right now? Can you take a walk? Can you open a book? Do that small thing now. Do it every day. Your life will change. Lesson 3. The pain of discipline is better than pain of regret. Both paths have pain. Discipline is hard work now. Regret is sadness later. Waking up early can be hard. Failing later is harder. Exercise can be hard. Being unhealthy all your life is harder. Choose the discipline pain. It leads to good things. Lesson 4. Learn to say no. Discipline is about what you stop doing too. Many people cannot say no. Saying no is not rude. It is self-respect. It means you respect your time and goals. If friends ask you to a party that does not help you, say no. If your phone wants your time, but your goals need you, say no. When you say yes to useless things, you say no to your dreams. Lesson 5. Don't tell everyone your plans. Work quietly. Let your success make the noise. You don't need to tell the world, I will wake up at 5 a.m. Just wake up. Let people see your results. Talking too much feels good, but then you might stop doing. Real discipline is quiet, like a tree growing roots. You don't see it, but it's strong. Lesson 6. Love the process. Don't just think about the reward, like money or fame. Love the work itself. Like a child plays for fun. Do your best every day. When you study, study like knowledge is gold. The process is the reward. You change who you are. Lesson 7. Motivation is 1%. Discipline is 99%. Many people wait for motivation. I will start when I feel inspired. But motivation is for a short time. Discipline is forever. If you wait for motivation, you work for 2 days. If you build discipline, you work for a lifetime. Do it even if you don't feel like it. Lesson 8. Learn something new every day. Discipline is also growing your mind. Learn one new thing. A new word. A new idea. It keeps your mind sharp. You don't need a big degree. You need to be curious. Lesson 9. Make decisions for your future self. Your now self wants to sleep more. Your now self wants to eat junk food. But your future self wants effort. Your future self wants growth. Ask, will this help my future? Choose your future self. Lesson 10. Own your morning. How you start your day is important. Discipline starts when you open your eyes. If you control your morning, you control your life. Wake up. Think about your goals. Read something good. Move your body. Even 15 minutes is good. Lesson 11. Start even if it's not perfect. Nothing will ever be perfect. You will never feel 100% ready. Winners don't wait for perfect. They start with what they have. Start when it's messy. Start even if you are scared. Just start. Lesson 12. Make rules for yourself and follow them. Discipline is easier with rules. Make your own rules. Write them down. Follow them like laws. I will not eat after 9 p.m. I will finish my work before social media. This builds self-trust. Lesson 13. Change I can't to I must. Words are powerful. If you say, I can't wake up early, you won't. Say, I must wake up early. I must change my life. Your mind listens to your words. Lesson 14. Admit mistakes, but don't stay in shame. It is strong to say, I made a mistake. Don't hide from mistakes. Say, this was my fault. I will fix it. Learn from it. Then, stand up and try again. Lesson 15. Follow your routine even when you don't feel like it. Discipline shows its power when you are tired or when you are sad. A weak person says, not today. A strong person says, I promised myself. Your routine makes you strong. Lesson 16. Find silence and listen to yourself. Be quiet for 10 minutes a day. No phone, no TV. Just sit. Breathe. In silence, you hear your thoughts. You understand yourself better. This helps discipline. Lesson 17. Delay rewards. Discipline is waiting for good things. Many people want things fast. Fast money, fast fame. Disciplined people work now for good things later. This is a superpower. Lesson 18. Not everyone will understand. Walk your path anyway. Some friends may say you are boring. Your family might not understand your routine. That is okay. They don't need to understand. You need to stay true to your goals. Keep walking. Lesson 19. Protect your energy. Your energy is like gold. Don't waste it on silly arguments. Don't waste it on pleasing everyone. Use your energy for things that build your future. Ask, does this help me grow? Lesson 20. Believe in yourself. Love yourself. This is the most important step. Believe you are worth it. Even if no one else believes in you. Even if you fail many times. You must say, I still believe in me. Tell yourself, I am strong. I am growing. I will not give up. When you believe, your actions will follow. Your whole life will change. So, this is your moment. Not tomorrow. You have everything you need inside you. Start today. Be disciplined. Become the best version of yourself. Your future is waiting. Don't let it down. Let's go. Thank you.